Hey guys, welcome to another full body morning yoga stretch. In today's morning activation, we're going to work on nourishing the body by grounding, strengthening, stretching the entire body in just 10 minutes. So go ahead and find yourself a comfortable spot on your mat and get ready. Let's begin. Slowly bring yourself to the top of your mat. Taking a deep breath in, bending that right knee, crossing the ankle over the left knee, and bring yourself into a chair pose. Breathing in here. Exhale, arms to the sky, lifting up, bringing that right leg all the way back. High lunge. Deep breath in here, dropping the hips, twisting over to the left. Right arm reaches up to the sky. And drop it down, right arm to the ground, left arm back. Slowly bring the arms back up to the sky, deep breath in. Exhale, slowly rise that right leg back, crossing over the left, arms to the sky. Bending that left leg, bringing yourself back into that seated position. And then drop the hands down to the ground, folding forward. Let the head become heavy. Reminder to use the breath here. Inhale, rising back up. Both legs to the ground. Exhale, palms to chest. Inhale, reach the arms up and prepare for the other side. Left leg crosses. Bending that right leg. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Slowly reaching the arms up. Exhale, left leg comes back. High lunge, drop the hips. Open up the chest, reaching the arms up. And then exhale, twisting over to the right. Left arm comes up. Exhale, left arm down. Right arm reaches up. Couple breaths. Inhale, coming back forward, and when you're ready, left leg reaches forward, crossing over the right, and forward, fold. Releasing the head. Big breath here. Exhale, slowly release arms to the sky. Exhale, palms to the chest. And then slowly coming horizontally onto your mat. Pushing on the outer edges of your feet, arms to the sky. Big breath here. And exhale, slowly bring it down. Interlace the hands behind your back, pulling the shoulders down and back, and reach the palms behind the head towards the ground. Swaying from side to side if that feels good. Deep breath in here. Exhale, slowly release the hands down to the ground. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, walking over to the left leg. Right hip pulls back. Inhale, center. Exhale, over to the right leg. Big breath in, left hip pulls back. Inhale, center, and then slowly bring yourself down. Elbows pushing the inner knees apart. Tailbone reaches down, spine is nice and tall. And plant your left hand into the ground. Opening right arm to the sky. Really try to open up your chest here, opening up the shoulder. Exhale down, switch sides. Elbows pushing against the knee and the knee is pushing back against the elbow. Back to center. Slowly lifting the hips up, coming back to the top of your mat. Releasing the head. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, slowly bring yourself down into a seated position, preparing for boat pose. Big breath in here. extending the spine, engaging your core, grabbing the back of the legs or the knees. And then we're going to do a few cat-cows in boat pose here. Inhaling, opening up. Exhale, release. Inhale, open up, drop the feet. And cross that right leg over the left. Dropping both knees over to the right, looking towards that left shoulder, opening up. Inhale, center. Exhale, drop everything over to the left, looking past your right shoulder. Inhale, center. Big breath in here. Pushing away from the ground with your arms, pulling the chest forward, deepening the stretch in that right hip, straightening that left leg, stack the knees. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, lean down. Releasing here, a little passive stretch. Just let the weight of your body maybe swaying a little bit from side to side if that feels good. Couple breaths. On the next inhale, slowly rise up. Plant that right foot into the ground, twisting over to the right. Right arm comes back. Deep breath in. Inhale, extend the spine. Exhale, deepen your twist. Inhale back to center. Reach the arms up. Exhale, extending both legs. Release the body down. Wave-like motions. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, reach it down. One more time. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, release it down. Inhale, reaching back to center, and prepare yourself for the other side, crossing left ankle over right knee. Dropping everything over to the left, looking past your right shoulder. Inhale, center, dropping to the right, looking past your left shoulder. Inhale, center, pushing away, straightening the spine. Closer you move that right foot in, the deeper you'll feel that stretch in that left hip. Releasing the right leg down, stacking the knees, lifting up, and passive stretch, releasing the torso down. Swaying from side to side if that feels good. Releasing the body. Inhale, slowly rising back up, arms to the sky. Exhale, plant that left foot into the ground, twist to the left. Inhale, extend. Exhale, deepen. Inhale, back to center, reaching the arms up. And then exhale, straighten both legs. Releasing the body. Rising back into a seated position, leaning onto your back. Take a moment to just create any movement that feels good for you here. And then drop the knees to the right. Deep breath in here. Let the body become heavy. Both shoulders into the ground. Inhale back to center, and then drop the knees over to the left. Couple breaths. Inhale back to center, and then just create some opening and closing circles with your knees and your hips. Create a release in the knees and the hips. When you're ready, go ahead, bring yourself into happy baby pose, grabbing the outer edges of your feet. Straightening one leg and then the other if that feels nice. Deepening the stretch in the back of the legs. Go ahead and release both legs straight up to the sky. Flex and point the feet and toes, rotating the ankles, creating any movement here that feels nice in the feet. Bending the knees, planting the feet into the ground, vertebrae by vertebrae, roll the hips up and then back down. Starting with the tailbone curling up, all the way to the shoulders and then back down. Go ahead and release and then roll yourself into a seated position here. Bring yourself comfortable, noticing the space around you. Noticing the body and how it feels. Feel free to take a glance over at the screen, noticing the beautiful nature that surrounds me on the beautiful island of Corsica. The flow of the water, soft and continuous, nourishing. The stability of the rocks. The sun, the beautiful warm morning sun, feeding energy to everything that lives. Go ahead and rub your body, your arms, your head, just giving that nourishing attention, that connection with your body. The chest, the belly, the back, the hips, the legs. Continue with the breath as you slide your hands through your body. Arms to the sky, palms together. And a loving breath. Bring the palms to your heart. Thank you so much for practicing and waking the body with me today. I hope that you enjoyed and you feel great in your body today. And I hope to see you next time. Namaste.